Alright, so let's talk about page templates, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to switch back to 2012 child theme. Just activate that, come back down here and refresh. Okay, now in order to explain page templates, I'm going to have to create a page. So let's quickly do that together. I'm actually going to explain in more detail how to create pages later on in the course, but for the purposes of this particular class, I'm going to have to create a page. So, or rather, I actually don't even have to publish a page. Let's just click on add new. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let's click on add new. Okay, so let's just add a title here that says test page. Now I'm going to add some dummy content. Hello, I am yada 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 yada. Okay. All right, now take a look at this template. Okay, we have the default template, we have a front page template, and we have a full width page template, no sidebar. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on preview. Okay, I'm going to click on preview and let's see how this looks like. Okay, we have our title, we have our content, and as you can see to the right, we have our widget area. So that is because the default template here displays the sidebar. But take a look at this. If I click on full width page template, no sidebar. Okay, let's preview this and let's see. Right now you can see that our sidebar is gone. So typically your page template dictates how content will be displayed on that particular page. Okay, and page templates control how your widgets will be displayed as well. Let's take a look at another example. We have what front page template. Okay, let's preview this as well. Let's see what we have. All right, so we have a test page, we have the content, and then we have our RSS feed, we have some content, we have our search function, and then we have members, and then we have our meta tags right down here. Now take a look at this. If I go back to, well, let me do this from here. If I go back to appearance and then widgets, okay, let's take a look at the first front page widget area. This says appears when using the optional front page template with a page set as static front page. Remember, we are using the optional front page template down here. Okay, so the widgets that we have here is what we have: the RSS feed, we have our meta members, and then we have our search function. And that's exactly what we have here. We have our RSS feed, our search function, and we have our meta information as well. So let's see, second front page widget area, okay, appears when using, all right, so this is another sidebar that will be displayed with the same template we're using. So let's say, let's add some text. Okay, let's add some text. This is a test. Let me save that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add yet another text as well. And let's say, hello, yada, 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 I like rice. Alright, I have no idea why I just typed that, but anyway, that will do for now. Let's just put a full stop. Let's save that. Alright, now let's see. If I come back down here and I refresh this page. Alright, now you can see we have what we have. This is a test, and we have hello, yada, 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 I like rice. So basically, the front page template will display whatever widgets you have on your first front page widget area and your second front page widget area just below the main contents of your page, which was what the title and the content that we have here, which is what we have here, our title, and then we have our content. So this is basically how page templates work together with widgets. Okay, one final thing I need to mention before I'm moving on to something else is that when you're talking about widgets, okay, when you install some certain kinds of plugins will also create certain widgets that you can use. Okay, and you will see more of this in more detail later on in the course. But say for example, we installed a plugin that allowed us to create forms with which people can use to, fill in their name, their email address, and then whatever message they wanted to send to us. most plugins of such type would actually create a widget for us that we can actually use to now display on a sidebar. So instead of having to go to maybe the contact page where you would have such a form, people would actually be able to access such forms on their sidebars. We'll see more of this later on in the course, but this has been class explaining to you the relationship between page templates and widgets, and I hope you've understood how they work together. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to use the comments or the discussion area. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next class. Have a wonderful day. Bye.